India is a backpacker's paradise, offering diverse landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and budget-friendly travel options. Whether you want to explore mountains, beaches, deserts, or bustling cities, India has something for every traveler. This guide will help you plan your backpacking journey, covering the best routes, budget tips, and hidden gems. Best backpacking routes in India: the Golden Triangle, Delhi, Agra, Jaipur. One of the most popular backpacking routes, the Golden Triangle, includes Delhi, Agra, and Jaipur. Travelers can explore Delhi's historic forts, street food, and vibrant nightlife. A visit to the Taj Mahal in Agra is a must for history lovers. Jaipur, known as the Pink City, offers stunning palaces, colorful bazaars, and rich Rajput heritage. This route is ideal for first-time backpackers and cultural enthusiasts. The Himalayan Circuit, Manali, Kasol, Dharamshala, Spiti Valley. For those who love nature and adventure, the Himalayan Circuit is perfect. Manali offers scenic treks to Solang Valley and Old Manali's relaxed atmosphere. Kasol, a backpacker's favorite, provides easy access to Khir Ganga and Tosh treks. Dharamshala and McLeod introduce travelers to Tibetan culture and monasteries. Spiti Valley, a remote, high-altitude desert, boasts stunning landscapes, ancient monasteries, and thrilling road trips. Rajasthan backpacking, Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, Udaipur, Pushkar. Rajasthan is a land of vibrant colors, grand forts, and unique traditions. Jodhpur, the Blue City, is home to the famous Mehrangarh Fort and lively markets. Jaisalmer allows travelers to experience the golden sand dunes and the charm of the Thar Desert. Udaipur, known as the City of Lakes, offers beautiful palaces and serene boat rides. Pushkar, a small spiritual town, is known for its peaceful lake and camel fairs. Goa and Gokarna, beach and hippie trail. For beach lovers and those seeking a relaxed atmosphere, Goa and Gokarna are ideal destinations. North Goa is famous for its party scene, with beaches like Baga, Anjuna, and Vagatar. South Goa offers peaceful and pristine beaches such as Palolem and Agonda. Gokarna is a hidden gem, with scenic treks leading to Om Beach, Kudle Beach, and Paradise Beach. Northeast India, Shillong, Kaziranga, Tawang, Zero. The Northeast region is an unexplored gem, offering stunning landscapes, diverse cultures, and thrilling adventures. Shillong, known as the Scotland of the East, features waterfalls, caves, and bustling local markets. Kaziranga National Park is home to the endangered one-horned rhinoceros. Tawang showcases Buddhist monasteries and high-altitude lakes, while Zero Valley is a peaceful retreat known for its tribal culture and scenic beauty. Budget tips for backpacking India. Backpacking in India is affordable if you follow a few smart travel tips. Staying in hostels and homestays is a cost-effective way to experience local culture. Many budget-friendly hostels like Zostel and Ghostops offer dorms and private rooms at reasonable prices. Street food is a great way to save money while enjoying authentic flavors. Parathas in Delhi, dosas in South India, chaats in Jaipur, and momos in the Northeast are delicious and budget-friendly. Public transportation, including trains, buses, and shared tuk-tuks, is much cheaper than taxis and offers an authentic experience. Booking budget flights in advance through travel apps can also help save money. Traveling during the off-season can reduce accommodation and transport costs. Many cities offer free walking tours, which provide insights into local culture and history without extra expenses. Hidden gems in India for backpackers. India is full of hidden gems that provide offbeat experiences. Majuli in Assam is the world's largest river island, offering a serene atmosphere and unique monasteries. Chopta in Uttarakhand, known as the mini Switzerland of India, provides breathtaking Himalayan views and trekking opportunities. Molinong in Meghalaya is considered the cleanest village in Asia, offering bamboo tree houses and stunning landscapes. Zairo Valley in Arunachal Pradesh is perfect for travelers who want to experience tribal culture and scenic beauty. Varkala in Kerala is an alternative to Goa with dramatic cliffs and beautiful beaches. Hampi in Karnataka is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with ancient ruins, a hippie culture, and a picturesque setting. Chandratal Lake in Himachal Pradesh is a high-altitude lake known for its surreal beauty and camping spots. Book your budget-friendly backpacking trip with Jagriti Travel Solutions. For a customized backpacking itinerary at the best prices, Jagriti Travel Solutions can help plan your adventure. Whether you want to explore the mountains, beaches, or cultural hubs, get expert guidance and affordable travel packages. Book your trip today and embark on an unforgettable journey through India.